Service in Chicago has issued a special marine Calumet Harbor to Michigan City. Open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 10:30 a.m. At 9 a.m., an area of strong thunderstorms were located near Hammond Marina, or near Calumet Harbor, extending back southeast toward Romeoville, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Burns Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, and Jackson Park Harbor. Marine forecasts for waters within